Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer segmentation with segments step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the Sources section in the left-hand menu. Select the source you want to segment your customers from. Once in the source settings, locate the Schema tab. Review the existing traits to better understand what data is available for segmentation. To create a new trait, click on the Add Trait button. Define the trait by providing a name and a description. Specify the data type for the trait, such as string, number, or boolean. After defining the trait, save your changes. Next, go to the Audiences section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Audience button to start the segmentation process. Choose the criteria you want to use for segmentation, such as demographic or behavioral data. Use the and or conditions to combine multiple criteria for more refined segments. As you build the audience, give it a descriptive name for easy identification. Review your chosen criteria to ensure accuracy. Click on the Save Audience button to finalize the segment. To analyze your new audience, navigate to the Analytics section. Select the newly created audience from the drop-down menu. Review the insights provided, such as user behaviors and engagement metrics. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data analyzed from the audience. Finally, continue iterating on your segments to enhance your customer targeting over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.